Okay, I'm back again here in my pamper room, and I'm going to talk to you about one of our brand new range of sun care products, which is called Great Barrier. It's a sun lotion, and we have the 3 SPFs beautifully packaged in SPF 15, SPF 30 and SPF 50. I've just trialed them because I've only had them a few days. I've just trialed them to see if they're similar to our Sunshade Total Mineral Sunscreen Protection, because the 15 lotion was thinner than the 30 and the 50 was quite thick, and some people didn't like our sun care because it left a white cast on your skin, but this doesn't. Anyway, let me tell you a little bit about our fabulous new Great Barrier Sun Lotion. So, let me tell you a little bit about it. It's reef-safe protection. It's a groundbreaking range of broad-spectrum, water-resistant sun protection formulated using certified reef-safe ingredients, which is great for our oceans. So, no matter where you live, sun care is key to healthy, protected, youthful skin. Our range caters to everyone, including kids, those with active lifestyles, city dwellers and more. Our sun care not only protects against UV rays, it also contains ingredients which defend skin against free radicals and pollution, 2 main causes of premature aging. And the whole range is Think Dirty certified. So that means we're actually approved as being really safe. The Think Dirty app, you can look it up. It's a company that looks at all ranges of personal care products and rates us all, and we're on a 0, which means nearly all our products, I think, are 0. It ranges from 0 to 10, which means we're green and safe. Okay, and also we have this brand new Protect Land and Sea certification. And I'll tell you a little bit about that. We're the first company in the UK and Europe to have a product certified by Protect Land and Sea. So the first company in UK and Europe. So it's demonstrating just how innovative and cutting edge our skincare range is. The products are kinder to the environment without compromising on efficacy. So let me carry on and tell you a little bit more about our range, really. Basically, what makes it so special is that we are at the cutting edge of green science, combining chemical and mineral sunscreens, and the chemical sunscreens are obviously safe. They're not, these are a hybrid range. They're not totally mineral, but they're mineral and certified safe chemical products. And as I said, we're certified by Protect Land and Sea. So alongside the sun filters, these products are packed with natural plant extracts and vitamins, offering a range of skin care benefits. So Great Barrier redefines the term chemical, showing that the sun care can be highly effective, gentle on the skin and cause no harm to the planet. This fast absorbing lotion glides onto the skin with its silky texture, acting to deeply hydrate the skin. And the sun lotion offers water resistant broad spectrum protection. So I'm going to show you some. I would use 30. 15 I think is not enough for me. Some people who are quite olive toned skin and can cope with staying out in the sun longer. Actually, I don't like it when it's too hot, but so I always use an SPF 30 for my face generally. Sometimes when I'm going out I use the SPF 50, but of course now under my makeup, or when I'm not wearing makeup, I will be using my Sunday anyway, which I've done a video about that recently. Our Sunday facial UV defense, which is SPF 50. We still have our tinted mineral foundation and our ordinary thicker skin shade Total Mineral. But as I said, a lot of people didn't like it because it left a white cast. It was very thick, but we still have that available to order, because it's really good for people who do a lot of water sports, or children who are in and out of water and you need a thicker coverage. Okay, so the name Great Barrier has a double meaning. Not only does it reference the reefs that we're trying to protect by using ocean-safe sun filters, but it also refers to the effective protective barrier this sun lotion provides for your skin. It's skin-safe, reef-safe protection, all rolled into one incredible product. And it has a delicious scent that will give you a burst of summer with every application. And our hero ingredients, we always say 3 hero ingredients for this Great Barrier Sun Lotion are green algae, vitamin E and coconut extracts. And I just want to show you how thin it is. I'll put some on my arm actually, that's probably easier. So I'll put a nice bit on my arm. And it does absorb very quickly. So this is the 30 SPF, but as I said, I tried them earlier and put them on my hand, all 3, and there didn't seem to be any difference in the texture of the lotions, whereas our skin shade minerals, you could see 15, 30, it was going thicker as it went on. So just a nice little bit there for you. You can see it spreads and there's no white cast. It spreads really easily, absorbs everything, and it smells gorgeous. It's the coconut. The smell is gorgeous, but as you can see, I'm protected on that hand. I'm going out in the garden actually in a bit, so I'm making sure that every day I go out in my garden. So I do some work and then I spend a couple of hours in the garden. I'm going to put some on the other hand because I'm going out digging in the garden later, moving some plants around. Oh, it does smell gorgeous. It's really delicious coconut scent. It really is lovely. So the results are skins that's nourished and protected from UV rays. So did you know UVA is for aging and UVB rays is for burning? So we know what they are now, it's quite easy. So apparently you apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure and top up every 2 hours after swimming and towel drying. So our hero ingredients inside in our products. So the green algae protects your skin. It's a powerful antioxidant, acts to detoxify the skin by protecting it from pollution and metal toxins in the atmosphere. The nourishing ingredients, it's an antioxidant. The vitamin E works to deeply nourish the skin and protect it from free radicals. And soothing, it's rich in skin conditioning fatty acids, proteins and complex B vitamins, coconut extracts which gently soothe the skin. And then finally, hydrating, it's multi-molecular weight hyaluronic acid, and this is a new ingredient. Susie has sourced the world for this fabulous multi-molecular weight hyaluronic acid, which is definitely the best in town. It's capable of holding up to 1,000 times its own weight in water, boosts the skin's moisture levels and defends against moisture loss to keep it looking and feeling hydrated. Have to read from the information because you know, I've told you before, I have a terrible memory problem. But so this is our Tropic Great Barrier Sun Lotion. I'm very excited about this because I have to say I wasn't over keen on the thick. I don't like thick, gungy products on my body. I like it to be light and soothing. I wasn't so keen on the sunshade, and that's what a lot of our ambassadors and customers found. Some people loved it because if they've got very sensitive skin, they need extra thick cream on them and sunscreen, but I like the lighter feel because you don't feel like you've got it on. It just feels like a lovely moisturizer, and it's fab and safe, protects our earth and so oceans, and they come beautifully packaged, and you have a nice wrap telling you all about it. And Susie, a little message from Susie says, whether you're lounging by the pool with a book in hand or riding the waves, this broad spectrum sun lotion effectively protects you from UV rays while feeling light on the skin. Oh, that's what I said, it feels very light on the skin. Specially formulated with nourishing reef-friendly ingredients, you can kick back and relax knowing that you're looking after your skin and the ocean. Okay, so that's our brand new Great Barrier Sun Lotion, coming in 3 shades. 3 SPFs, SPF 15, SPF 30 and SPF 50, and the cost is £28, which I think is great because it's 200ml, so it's a big tube. And also Susie has done one of our lovely, I haven't got one here, one of our lovely little minis, and only in the SPF 50 because that needs to cover most skins, and that's 100ml, a little mini one, so it'll be half that size because that's 200ml, 100ml for £18. And you can go and check these out over on my website and web shop. They're already available to purchase, and go and have a look at it. It's www.linpriest.com. We're very, very happy to be the first in UK and Europe to have this very special Protect Land and Sea certification. So well done, Susie. We all wanted a much lighter form of sunscreen, but was also very safe for us and safe for the oceans. Okay, there you have it. Our brand new Great Barrier Sun Lotion. I'm sure you're going to love it. It feels gorgeous on your skin. Now I've put it on and it's absorbed, I don't even feel like I've got anything on my skin, and my skin feels really moisturised. So I'm getting ready to go out in the garden in a while. Okay, enjoy yourself. Have a good day. Keep safe. Keep smiling. Keep positive. Bye bye for now.